Hi everybody, I'm Hillary and this is my channel, Wild Orange Emporium. I don't know, maybe I didn't say that in the last video, but such is life. So this is my second video, kind of a part 2 of what my sister sent from the Pacific Northwest. She is a full-time teacher and teaching summer school too, but she enjoys going to the bins and thrifting, and she does an amazing job. So we said, why not send some stuff out to me? She uses Pirate Ship and gets a discount on that flat rate box, which is really nice. So I got 2 boxes in 1 week. I did peek. I will try not to peek, and I will try to remember to, the tip that she gave me was, and I said this in the last video, to put up comparable pictures of what items sell for the brands that I don't really know about. And the last video had a ton of Lululemon, and I don't know a ton about Lululemon, except for that a lot of people sell it. It sells well. I've sold 2 pieces of Lululemon that I found, a winter jacket, and then I think they call it a scuba hoodie. And it sold really well. Some of the stuff she sent, I would say, is not in amazing like new condition. It's definitely used, so I'll probably get a lower price for those. So anyways, if you like those sorts of videos, or these sorts of videos, stay tuned. Okay, thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. If you could share them, that would be great. I am continually looking for new subscribers and get my videos out there, but also to have some comments and feedback. I think that's the hardest thing. They don't always tell you in these videos. The hardest part about reselling is you're by yourself, alone in my basement. But it's all good. I've been, like I said, trying not to source, so it's fun to get boxes in, and trying to have some interaction with you guys out there in the world. I appreciate both my sisters commenting. One's in Germany, one's in Oregon, and I appreciate their viewership. And my stepmom, Judy, and my mom. So all my people, all my family, you're the best. And you know what? If I'm just making these videos for them, that's awesome. They get to see my face, see what I'm doing, and eventually it'll pick up. Also, the behind the scenes of reselling, why some people don't continue on, is because it is work. You just need to enjoy it. And the work part of this is, for instance, for the bin items, washing the clothes, steaming the clothes, storing the clothes, taking the pictures. It's just not all about the cha-ching. The fun part is the buying and the selling. All the in-between of getting there is what can be hard. So anyways, I ramble. Let's look and see what she sent. So, oh yeah, in the last box she sent, Eddie Bauer, this has a hole right there. I'm guessing from the tag. That's a bummer. This is a 2XL, so it still has the tags on it, which is great. I will disclose that. If it doesn't sell, I'll just keep it, give myself the family discount. So it's a nice pink Eddie Bauer basic shirt. A pair of jeans. I don't know if I've said this in other videos. I have a harder time seeing what jeans are good and fashionable. Like men's jeans, I'm fine. I feel like men's clothes can be a little more simplistic in understanding the taste. And sports. Oh, these are Levi's, brand new with tag, 315 shaping boot cut. Nice. So I would say any women's jeans that are new with tag, go ahead and pick them up. They're not too much. I'm going to assume that most of the stuff she got at the bins or one of the Goodwills. So there's the boot cut, is a whiter. These are nice, dark wash. I think those will sell, especially with back to school. Hopefully you have all your back to school items going. Get those listed. Ooh, these are nice. J. Crew does sell well for me. J. Crew, like tuxedo satin pants. Did I do that one? 12, tall, low fit. Doesn't have original cost. It says 100% virgin wool. Well, that's interesting. Oh, I guess it is. I don't know what process that would be to take wool and make it shiny like that. That's very, I would never have guessed that this was wool. So I would say this is good for a nice black tie affair. Kind of a wide leg. We have a couple pair of socks. Okay, baseball socks. And then Ralph Lauren. I think these are from the regular Goodwill store because they have the tags on it. Ralph Lauren socks there. Cotton Everlane. I've seen a lot of people sell Everlane. I've never had it before. So basic striped shirt. I'll put that up there. I'm guessing $12. What would you guess? Less? More? There's a sports bra. White sports bra. Hey! Lululemon! It's a nice looking sports bra. Pretty good size. I'm guessing it's a large to an extra large. And again, I'll have to search. I'll have to watch a YouTube channel to see where to find out the sizes if there's no tags in there. I kind of remember someone saying where you can find stuff. But, yeah, I'd say large or extra large. I have been using Google Lens. Do you use Google Lens? So you have a picture of an item and then hit the little look button on there. It's actually like a little square. And it helps me find things. It's been a really nice feature to have. So I don't just have to randomly search by what I think a name is of something. So do you use Google Lens or do you use something else? This looks like a workout shirt. Oh yeah, here, open back. Oh, Athleta, which is nice. Okay, one of the size medium. It's like a heathered. Is that what you'd say? Heathered gray, crisscross, low back, yoga top, running top. One of the cool things about living where I live is a Gap outlet, and I don't mean like a Gap outlet like at the outlet mall, which I really don't think those have amazing deals. This is like the warehouse. And they have Athleta, Banana, and Gap, Old Navy. So when I go out there, you can get some, most of the time, really good stuff. You have to be really careful though, because it can be ripped or zippers don't work. But sometimes there's some great deals out there. Oh, this is a fun print. What is this? Weekend by Suzanne Betro, new with tag, normally $71. You guys know that name? Weekend, Susan Betro. It's fun. It has an old-timey look to it. I have no idea what that would be called. Cinch waist. Has a snap here for the front. A little fluted collar. There's the back. That's cute. Like a little fan. I like that. Swirly twirly gumdrops. Okay. Oh yeah, I have learned this one from Chelsea. Lafayette 148. I just sold her black top with the silver accent. I think I took an offer for $60. Oh, this is a skirt. Lafayette 148, size 20. It looks like Neapolitan ice cream that's been swirled around. I don't know, is that a butterfly squirt? Oh my gosh. Obviously, this is not my demographic. You see that? $498 is what it was listed for. Holy guacamole. Jeez. Looks like she might have got it for $13, which is nice. So I will definitely list that up there, baby. Good job, Chels. You're the winner. Ah! Pair of shoes. I don't think she's ever sent a pair of shoes. These are fun. buckle. These look brand new. Hispanitas. Joy is a choice. Made in Spain. Probably couldn't see them while I was reading. Looks like a faux snakeskin, navy, and black. The little block heel. What size are these? 39.5. Is that 8.5, 9? Cute. These actually look like something Chelsea would wear with a skirt. She can carry a skirt. I feel frumpy in skirts, so I don't wear them. Fleece gloves by Land's End, brand new in bag. Nice. Size, I think that's a size small. Oh, it says size large right there. Red fleece. Yep, cool. Okay, last thing. What's the last item in this box? Looks like a t-shirt. A t-shirt by Volcom? Okay, I cheated. When I opened this box, I did look up this brand. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but it's a surfing brand. So a basic navy shirt. There's the symbol. I do not remember how much this item sells for. So size large T, Volcom, has the tag on it. So there we go, men's shirt. I hope that was fun for you. And like I said, she has another box coming. I think my mom is even sending a box too. Or maybe that's my mom's box because she went to the thrift store. Could be my mom's box. Getting them all in the game. And then again, so my next videos will either be her unboxing or the 2 boxes I got from the Myrch. I think I got a standard women's and a standard men's box. And see what they're worth. And I'll keep track of how much those sell for, because I'd like to recoup, and you know, lots of drama around that situation, so we'll see. Always learning, always growing. In any business, you're gonna make dumb purchases or silly purchases. Did I say? I don't think I said. First off, this last week I had, for me, a great sales week. I had $975 in sales. That's probably my biggest sales week, and which is very exciting. Obviously, that's not all my straight profit. I have my cost of shipping. No, not my cost of shipping, but my cost of what I use to ship, you know, packaging materials. My cost of goods, which I try to keep pretty low, but also what was in there, I sold the last 50 cases of Tim Hortons coffee. So they're out of the garage, and actually it was a repeat buyer. She bought all 50 of those, and if we find some more deals, we're probably going to work on some together. So it's great to build relationships in your reselling community, and so you can have people that support you, even if you don't necessarily get to see them in person. So anyways, thanks so much for stopping by. Again, hit the like button and subscribe and leave some comments, and I'll see you real soon. Cheers!